Jollibee. Sunod kay Ate Kim.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we own. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you
Tanggalin mo face mask muna. Tanggalin. Andito sa bag. Ibigay mo yung cellphone, Kim. Sophia. Waiting kami sa aming order, guys. Ayan. Mabuti na lang meron kaming kasamang senior. Hindi na siya pumila pa dahil mga gutom na kami. order ni Kim. Laki yun.
I-post mo yung mga kuwahan.
Yung order ni Kim.
Kasi tissue, wala pa naman akong dalang tissue.
Ipakita ko lang yung kung gaano ka-juicy yung chicken ko. Ayan, juicy. Juicy, juicy.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love and don't pretend. Stick on my side even when the world is caving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you're ready. I need somebody who can love me, come on. Oh, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my love. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I'll put you first. And for you, girl, I swear I don't know why.
Pero yung tigisa tayo Rolex, di ba? Na, di ba Tiria? Take him na yung isa. Yung maliit para kayo tayo, tigisa. Binigay ko na lang yung sa akin sa Kim. Yung Rolex na nalong, yung automatic. Ay, hindi automatic, di ba Tiria?
Ay, Rolex din. Nakita mo.
Sa akin yung Rolex.
Pamimigay siguro ni tatay yung dalawa. Rolex.
Akin yun.
Dalawa.
Sige sa amin. Ano Rolex? Si Aris meron daw Rolex. Kaya di sa akin pa lang sa kayo.
Ay, ibig sabihin bakit sa kay Kim yung
Oo, yung maliit. Maliit siya.
yung puti?
Ewan ko, okay, basta
Ano ba
ano.
gusto mo yung puti o yung ilaw?
Hindi, akin gold eh.
Oo, yeah. Ano ba doon yung maliit o malaki?
Yung maliit, ang ganyan, sumunod sa'yo. Hindi naman malaki yun eh.
Ayun sa'yo. Rolex na lang.
Oo. Binili, hindi, yung isang rado na lapat na ganyan, akin yun. Yung isa na
May isa tayo na urado.
Oo, yung isa.
Gold. Pero yung malaki akin sa'yo talaga.
Oo, yun.
Sa'yo.
Bumili tatay mo, tingin sa kami. Joy, bumili tatay mo, Rolex. Automatic.
Nagkita kayo?
Sa kami, sa rado, automatic. Isa rin. Grabe naman.
Huwag niyo itong bigan.
Ay, hindi. Wala rin.
Mahal ata. Hindi naman ako. Oo, mahal. Yan guys, tapos na kami kumain.
Ano?
Dad na kami, abot na. Takaw. Busin mo yan ha? Simot.
Cheers!
Busog na ako guys. All done. Tissue. Thank you so much.